Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My first attempt of this video was a failed attempt, so this is the second one, although I didn't post the first one. I'm going to ensure my hair is stretched by loosening my cornrow and combing the hair properly with a gap tooth comb. I'm also going to secure the hair by twisting it down so as to ensure it's properly stretched. After loosening my hair, I'm going to just divide it into three sections, and work section by section. I'm just going to part the hair little by little. It's best to go through this process by cutting your hair into little size. I'm going to go with my mousse, my cream of nature mousse, and the extreme wetline gel. I haven't tried this gel before. This is my first time and I was really impressed with the results. I'm going to go in with the Perm rod set. This is the first time of successfully doing this Perm rod. I'm going to try it next time. It's good to just take it little by little. Don't go all out by taking a big chunk of your hair and working with it. You wouldn't get a defined curls like you'd expect. So if you really have a particular coil in mind, it's best to just play safe by taking it one at a time, as in little by little, instead of taking big chunk of your hair. Okay, at this stage, this middle part I had to divide it into two because it was too big for me to just roll this amount of hair. Now for the last part, I'll go in as usual by detangling my hair, combing it properly. Now this rollers was not really easy to use. I was just struggling with it. The more I tried to do it, the more this thing they pay me well like this, it's as if they draw my brain. But you know, this whole process is not that easy. At some point it was as if, no, let me just throw away this hand, because I needed to shoot this video on time and dry it on time. And again, the Lagos factor, NEPA, they should not show themselves. Because if they just take this light, I will just watch leg go sleep. At this stage, I'm done, as in, thank God, my hands were aching like, oh my goodness. But thankfully, I was able to do it with the help of no one but myself. Oh, by the next morning, I forgot to show the other part. I had to go dry my hair in the salon, but I dried it halfway because I know the kind of hair I have. If I should air dry it, trust me, it's going to be a fail, as in real fail. So this stress is too much for me to have a fail. So I went to a salon, I dried it halfway, then I went to sleep, and voila, this is the next day, and the calls are popping. It's so fine. I love it. Thank God, the stress was not in vain. Hallelujah. Although those baby hair in front, they can so embarrass me. They just roll like in a rat shit. I don't understand. But all through the whole thing, although I wasn't able to use a proper comb to comb the tip of my hair, I was using a gap tooth comb all through. I'd advise you use a proper comb to comb the tip of your hair to ensure you don't have a rough tip by the time you're losing your hair. That would make your hair much more beautiful, much defined. The curls will be more defined. I was just playing safe, really, that's true, because I don't know what to expect since I've had an experience of a failed attempt. So it was just easier for me to just play safe now. For the coconut oil, I made this coconut oil. Let's forget the container. We have coconut oil inside. I have 2 videos on how to make coconut oil. Please check it at the description below, or check my playlist and you see the video of how to make coconut oil to avoid wastes. Now I'm going to start by separating the hair. The essence of putting the coconut oil on my hand is to edge against freeze, although I still had a lot of freeze. But not to worry, I'm okay with the results because I never had something this close before. So I'm going to go in with my comb and fluff it a little to give me volume. From the look of the hair, you can see it's not totally dry, but I don't mind. Now I'm going to lay my edges to make it look a little bit presentable and make those coily hair in front that looks like rat sheets. It's my hair, so I can abuse it anywhere I like. Doesn't mean I don't love it. I love my rat. I love my baby hair. Laying those baby hair, you need a mod and not an edge control, because an edge control can't do it for me. So this is a wax stroke mod. It's called Easier. I don't know if you can find it wherever you are, but if you find it, rush it. So this is me after my horrible looking makeup and ready to dress up for church. So hope you like this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video. Please share this video and subscribe. Love you. Bye.